Hello, today I am making cinnamon crinkle cookies. So basically what it does is take a box cake mix and you make cookies. So I'm just gonna get started. I have spice cake. I like spice cake and I just would like to see. So I'm just cutting it open. Just set it there. So it says to take the cake mix, the cinnamon, there it is, 2 eggs and oil. And mix it till it's well combined. So what I'm gonna do is I'll start with eggs. So everything gets mixed in nicely. I like to mix my eggs first, so it's well combined. All I'm doing, I'm just going to take the liquid ingredients first. That way, let's try not to spill it. So eggs and oil. I'm just mixing it. Take my cinnamon, I've already measured it out, 2 teaspoons. Get very spicy cupcakes. I'm just getting all the mixed in. Now, adding the cake mix, a little bit at a time. I could probably use a spoon now. I make a mess. That's what I do. I make messes. Cheers. So all of my ingredients are in there. The part where I'm wondering, do I have enough liquid? I'm sure it will all mix in just fine. It's balling up nice. And I'm just scraping and kind of smearing the mix into powder that's on the sides. Ooh, you gotta be muscly. Okay, that's pretty thick. So what it tells me to do next is to chill the cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. So I'm gonna do that and we'll be back. Okay, it's been an hour. My dough is chilled. So I have cookie sheets with parchment paper because I like my cookies to be nice and crisp, and they brown up really nice on parchment paper and you don't have to scrape them off. I have some powdered sugar. Ooh, it's kind of soft. Making a ball. I don't want to get it too warm, and then I'm just rolling it in sugar and then putting it on the parchment paper. So I'm trying not to handle too much, because I guess the crinkle part is, I've never done this before, so is when it starts cracking and you see the powdered sugar and then the cracks will be dough. They're supposed to be about a tablespoon big. So I'm just eyeballing them and then rolling them and get poured across that way. Never tried these before, so we're just gonna see how they go. Well, that's a new technique. That actually gets a lot of sugar on it. I'm gonna have to get one. It's a much better technique. Look at the difference. These to these. More. Oop, that's a little fat. And through the magic of editing, I've repowdered. So these go in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes. Welcome back. There they are. Let's turn off our timer and get them out and check it out. I'm just putting this down so it doesn't ruin my... Ooh, nice. Ruin my countertop. Turn off the oven. Very nice. See if I can get one to cool off enough for me to see, nice and crackled. That is at 8 minutes. Trying to get one to cool down real good. Ooh, that's what they look like upside down. There we go. And I'm just putting them on a plate to cool off. Because after redesigning my kitchen, I can't seem to find my cooling racks. Of course, I think they're in the garage. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Let me get this out of the way. And we will see what one of these babies is like. Look, nice and crackly. Open it up. Very cakey. Very cakey. Nice. Smells like spice cake. Yes, it is. The powder. Oh! It's very good. It's just like cake balls. Oh. So, it's easy. Give it a try.